Hello, model citizens, and welcome to Humanity Junction. In today's video, we are going to take a 360-degree tour of the West Island Model Railroad. This is a local club that I've had the opportunity to operate on several times. If you're on your computer, please feel free to pan around with your mouse. If you are using a smartphone, hold it up in front of you and look around the space. Please enjoy this video of the West Island Model Railroad Club. Welcome to the West Island Model Railroad Club, where the world of model railroading comes to life. Established in 1947, the West Island Model Railroad Club boasts a rich history and currently occupies a spacious 5,600 square foot area in Hicksville, New York. The journey of the club has taken it across various locations. It began in Westbury, New York, then moved to Hicksville. In 1972, it found itself in Farmingdale, where the former Allegheny and Western Railroad thrived until 2008. At that time, municipal code compliance issues prompted the club to seek a new location. Their quest for a new home brought them back to Hicksville. On March 28, 2008, they bid farewell to the Farmingdale layout, and on June 1st, they embarked on a new chapter in their current space. They are now diligently working on constructing the new A&W layout. At the West Island Model Railroad Club, their primary objective is to maximize enjoyment for their members. They achieve this by actively engaging in the planning, construction, and operation of their model railroad. They encourage members to share their creative ideas, and the layout is designed to fulfill three main goals: realistic and prototypical operations, informal running of trains, and public exhibitions. The model railroad layout stretches an impressive 87 feet by 64 feet of space. The new Allegheny and Western layout represents scenes from the area, extending from Jersey City, New Jersey to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, with single-track branches reaching to Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, Scranton, Pennsylvania, and Maybrook, New York. The layout draws inspiration from prototype aspects of several railroads, including the Lehigh Valley, Central Railroad of New Jersey, Reading, Pennsylvania, Lehigh and Hudson River, and Long Island Railroads. The layout interchanges with the Pennsylvania Railroad and the Long Island Railroad. The central point of the railroad is Allentown, Pennsylvania, featuring a large freight yard, an operational hump yard for freight classification, an engine terminal, and a passenger station. The main line extends 640 feet, equivalent to 10.5 scale miles, with secondary yards located at Reading, Pennsylvania, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, Plainfield, New Jersey, as well as an industry support yard at Bethlehem Steel in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Approximately half of the layout is dual level. The lower level accommodates the Jersey City to Harrisburg main line, which incorporates the steel-making complex at Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The upper level showcases the Wilkes-Barre and Maybrook branches. featuring a major coal operation with mines, a large coal breaker, and a marshalling yard in Wilkes-Barre. Furthermore, you'll find 2 car float operations on the layout inspired by Long Island City and the Bronx. Plans also include the addition of 2 more disconnected float terminals in the future. Operations are supported by a 20-track staging yard on the lower level and an 8-track staging yard on the upper level. Scenic highlights include a 550-foot-long, 100-foot-high, double-track concrete viaduct modeled after the Tunkhannock Viaduct in Nicholson, Pennsylvania. Remarkably, there are over 450 remote-controlled turnouts and a prototypical signal system guided by a computer-based graphical control system with multiple dispatcher screens. The club extends a warm invitation to visitors to come and experience their under-construction 5,600 square foot model railroad. The layout boasts an 11-scale-mile double-track mainline and is equipped with trains featuring realistic lights and sounds. Visitors are encouraged to take the controls and operate the trains. If you are interested in operating on their layout or simply wish to engage in discussions about trains and model railroading with club members, please don't hesitate to contact them to schedule a visit. As the West Island Model Railroad Club celebrates its 76th year of operation, it remains a vibrant hub of creativity and camaraderie for model railroad enthusiasts. They eagerly look forward to welcoming you to their world of intricate railways and inspiring layout. Thank you for being a part of their journey. This concludes our introduction to the West Island Model Railroad Club. They look forward to your visit as they continue to build and share their passion for model railroading. From the city that never sleeps, farewell, model citizens.